Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we are going to create an animation like this. It's a compositing project. The 3D character is created in Maya and we have used a background image and we are using Adobe Mixamo to create the rigging and animation. Alright, so let's get started and see how to create cool animation like this. I first looked for some reference images for how the character should look. I wanted the character to be fairly simple, so I looked for a 3D stick figure and I like this character. The body is just made up of an elongated sphere, the head is a sphere, and there are stick for the hands and the legs. Alright, so let us get started in Maya. We create a polysphere and scale it up, and that becomes the body. We'll create another sphere, move it up for the head. We can move both of these up so that the legs can come down. I'm going to use a cylinder for the legs. I'll scale it down and then scale it up so it's thin. And I'll try to make it as long as the body for the size. Okay, so that looks good enough, and then I'll put it on the left here, the front view. So I'll go to wireframe mode, okay, and place it slightly inside. We can scale the body sideways so that it has some. Alright, now for the leg we need some segments for the knees to bend. So we will look for the subdivision height and increase it to 6. Then I'll go to the vertex mode by right clicking, select the middle 3 and scale them close. Okay, so that's where the knee is going to bend. I'll select the center one and scale it inside slightly. So in Mixamo we will know where the knee is. Okay, that would be the knee part. Or if you want, you can scale it up. Doesn't matter how you want, depends on how you want the character to look. Okay, so that would be the knee part. Object mode, then you can Control D to duplicate and move it on the other side. Make sure it's the same distance from the other one. I'll move it over here and then move this more here. Okay, and then we can use the same object, Control D, for the hand. Just need to rotate it 90 degrees. So rotate it a little bit, then the rotation has to be 90 degrees. Okay, so this one is on this side, Control D it and put another hand on the other side. Okay, now I'll create another cylinder and this will be the neck. So we'll scale this inside. Okay, and then we will add subdivisions. Then go to vertex mode, scale these ones inside. The top one has to be inside the sun. Scale it up. This one goes down. Scale up. Okay, and then we'll go to the left view. And this one slightly on the left, This one slightly on the right for the neck. Okay. Now we'll work on the feet. So I'll create a box. Be long and flat. Move it in the front. Place it in the center. Okay. Vertex mode. Fit it in. Okay. So I'm going to go to the edge. Select these edges. I'm going to go to edit mesh. We're going to use connect. Do it again. Edit mesh. Connect. Okay, we'll go to the face. Then shift and drag up. Move tool to extrude. Okay. Here's the vertex. So it's just a matter of making the shoe look like the way you want. We want a flat base, so we'll go to face, select this, and shift it down, shift, move it down, shift. Okay. If you want a rounded front, you can shift, move it down, and if you move it up more, it will be less rigid. So vertex, okay. So a shoe will have a rounded corner here, and a straighter line here. It has to be straight. Okay, so that looks good. Select this, go to mesh, add smooth, and make it true. Okay, that seems like a long shoe, so we can make it shorter. Undo mesh smooth. Closer, closer. Okay. Object mode. Then again go to mesh, mesh smooth, and division 2. Okay, so that's the shoe. I will control D it, place it here. Scale is going to be -1. Okay, so let us position it in the right place. views are ready. We'll work on the hand now. Okay, so again another box, move it up, tuck. Alright, so it got stuck. So in the next class we will finish this up and bring it into mixamo. Okay, so see you in the next class.